This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You stop safely and secure the vehicle first. That protects you and preserves system states. Once stopped, turn ignition fully off and wait 30 seconds, then restart to see if emergency mode clears. While you do that, scan the dash, note every warning icon and any numeric fault codes so you can diagnose. If the car restarts normally, drive slowly to a safe location and monitor lights. If not, proceed with the next diagnostic steps. You connect an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner to read fault codes. That tells you which system triggered emergency mode and why. Once you have codes, research the probable causes, but don't guess. Inspect the battery and charging system next, because low voltage often forces limp behavior. Make sure terminals are clean and tight. Then visually inspect fuses and the wiring harnesses around the throttle and key sensors. Damaged wiring or blown fuses you should clear the stored codes with the scanner after any repairs, then start the engine and perform a short, controlled test drive to verify normal operation. If the emergency mode persists and you've checked sensors and charging, try a battery disconnect reset by removing the negative terminal for 10 to 15 minutes. This can clear electronic faults. Make sure to retest afterward. If codes return or the car still drives poorly, call a qualified technician. One troubleshooting tip: persistent P0XXX codes mean professional diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.